I like higher end things. The issue is that you need the money for the higher end things. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Seyi and this is the Daily Seyi, where we talk about all things life, beauty, style, etc, etc. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and being a real one. Today, I am sharing with y'all one of my Christmas / congrats gift purchases that I decided to gift myself for Christmas. I was thinking about it for a while and I finally was just like, you know what, let me just get it as I kind of dibble dabble into more higher end purchases and whatnot, because I like higher end things. The issue is that you need the money for the higher end things, but you know, the money is coming in. So I want to share with y'all one of the things that I got. A Coach bag. I decided to get the Coach Tabby 26 and here she is. And as you can see, she is a shoulder bag and she also comes with a longer strap, but what caught my eye was the fact that it was a, traditional shoulder bag. When I originally was eyeing a Coach bag, it wasn't this one. I was actually eyeing the other Tabby, the one that's more like squarish. Why couldn't I think of the word? The one that's more squarish. But then I went to Nordstrom with the plan. Actually, I had a plan to go to the Coach store at the Grove, and then it's closed down for some reason. So I went to Nordstrom and then came across this bag and I was like, wait a minute, that's cute. And this is the picture here when I first saw the bag and I was like, hold on, this one is cute. And then we went to the Beverly Center and then that Coach also did not have this bag in stock. And I was like, okay, but they're like, oh, we can order it for you. And I'm like, no. If you're gonna order for me, I might as well just order it for myself. I kind of just wanted that feeling of ordering it for myself. I went home, contemplated a little bit, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it, bite the bullet and buy it. She retailed for, I think my total came out to like closer to $450. It has like the bag tag, which I could have got monogrammed, but I didn't. But what really caught my eye, honestly, surprisingly, was the print. Now, I didn't think I would honestly like this kind of like very obvious print right here, but for some reason, I feel like it makes this bag look a little bit more chic. Like I saw the full black version and for some reason, it was just giving me nothing. It wasn't giving me anything. And I feel like even though this is brown right here, this legit goes with most of my outfits. Granted, I am a very neutral girl, so you'll see me wearing creams, browns, blacks. So yeah, this is the Coach Tabby. I've already worn it, but obviously I've already worn it. But it also comes with a much longer strap, which is so convenient. So if I ever want to wear it as a crossbody, I can, which I have actually been wearing it as a crossbody. And then again, it has the shorter shoulder strap, so I can wear it, like the girlies do, like the fashion girlies do. So some specs and details. It is brass, so all the detailing is brassy right there. The inside is like this kind of like nice burgundy-ish brown color. I really like it. Suede on the inside, and then it has like 3 different pockets. So one here, one in the middle, and then one like here on the end. And then it also has a pocket in the inside like every other purse does. And then it has another flip pocket here. It's one of those bags that also sits upright. So as you can kind of see, it just like the bottom is very structured, and surprisingly it does fit a good amount of stuff in here. Honestly, I just wanted a cute bag that I can carry, like, once we start going to events and stuff and hopefully things open back up, probably like after the summertime, then this is a bag that will perfectly go with me wherever I need to go. Overall, I just really like it and I'm really happy with this purchase. Like legit one of my favorite purchases of 2020. And again, it was a Christmas gift / congrats gift to myself. Congrats to quitting my job and just embarking on this kind of solo entrepreneurship journey and just kind of taking my career and my dreams and my desires into my own hands. And I feel like that's what makes bags a bit more special sometimes, is that I don't know, I feel like most people when they get a newer bag or even like a more expensive bag, it's usually because of some monumental moment or something. This will always be special because I'll always remember it as the bag that I bought to congratulate myself for quitting my job. I love it. So I just want to quickly share with y'all what I can actually fit in here, because I feel like the size is kind of deceiving. You'll probably think like you really can't fit much, but I promise that you can. So let me just go get my stuff. Always a wallet. I like to carry a smaller wallet. Hand sanitizer, a non-negotiable at this point. I stack that right next to my wallet. Then I have tissue because, again, I feel like a non-negotiable with everything going on. And I stack that next to the hand sanitizer. Then I like to keep a Tide to Go pen because you just never know. This is what we're looking like. And that is my unboxing of my Coach Tabby 26. If this is anything to let you know, just to tell you to treat yourself. As always, I appreciate y'all for watching today's video, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Until next time, bye.